All right, so for today's unboxing, we're going to do the Harley-Davidson Audio 50S Bluetooth headset, and we're going to do the dual pack. All right, so let's see what we got here. This includes everything. We got a dual headset. 50S comes with 2 modules, 1 Bluetooth 5 and 1 Mesh 2.0. This is compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto through Boom Audio, GTS Audio with voice-activated digital assistants, as in Hey Google or Hey Siri. Without the whim, you can control your 50S through the available hands-free voice commands or the glove-friendly jog dial menu navigation. And if you prefer to use earbuds, there's an available port for that. All right, so and as of always, when we unbox the item, we will have it for sale and it will be discounted as it is now used. All right, so here's what we have in the box. Let's put this up a little bit. All right, so what do we got here? Here's what we got. We got each module. We got the microphones, the bases, the headphones, and underneath we have a bag full of goodies. So let's see what we got here. So in bag number 1, it looks like we have the wireless Wi-Fi module, which is right here. So when you plug this in, this automatically does all the updates. You got USB-C and your regular USB style. Now this is made by Sena. So the Harley-Davidson Audio 50 Audio S system is made by Sena. There is the Sena branding, as you can see there. And there is the Wi-Fi adapter. So we got the Wi-Fi adapter, and we've got extra microphones. So what I like about the 50S is it has the optional microphone where it can be placed inside your helmet. You can see, let's see if we can open this up. The only trick is getting it back in the package. It's going to be the most difficult part here. All right, so each one of these has a remote location for a microphone. It has a Velcro back. There is extra Velcro pieces in the other bag for you to stick onto the inside of your helmet. I personally have the 50S and it works great. So you have the optional movable mic and you have the other microphone that can be placed anywhere. You have your microphone covers for wind to block the wind noise. You get 2 of them. There's actually a 4-pack. This is the first 2-pack. So each one gets an extra spare. So there's that one. Another pack. And here is the Velcro pieces for your earpiece and the microphones. Just open this up and show you guys. So these are for your microphones, and these are for your earphones, and this is for your microphones, so you can place it inside your helmet on the jawline to have a direct path for your voice. You also get extra earbud covers. They got a plastic piece in the middle to keep it nice and solid, nice and cushy. So that's bag number 1, along with the mounting brackets. So this mounting bracket is what you use to mount the headset to the side of your helmet. It's got the 3M sticky back, and then this piece just mounts directly to the Bluetooth module itself, along with more 3M sticking pads. And that is bag number 1. Back. Okay, I got those out of the way. Bag number 2, get your install guide. Very simple, very easy to follow. So let's get all this out. All right, so in bag number 2, we have pretty much the same as what is in bag number 1 for the second headset. You get your instruction manual. Lists the part numbers for you. Kit number. So we are kit number 76001179A. These are all of the superseded numbers prior to it. Down here it tells you how the module functions, what each button does, and what the status LED light and all that. Pair with Boom Audio GTS or 6.5 GT radio, tells you how to do all that, tells you the models it works with. Here's the quick start guide, pretty much tells you 100% through and through how to operate it. Very simple, very easy. Powering on, hold it for 15 seconds, powering off, tap one time. Phone pairing, tells you how to do all that. You can download the Senna app, and Harley-Davidson has an app as well. So this is the unboxing of the Harley-Davidson Audio 50S Bluetooth headset. It is here available at Reman's Harley-Davidson, and since this is now unboxed and it is used, we are going to be selling this at 30% off. Please give us a call at 309-854-6661 or send us a message on Facebook at facebook.com/RemansHD.